how to create sign in and sign up functionality and like form in the React, and also we will see the setup of React, like how to set up React in React project, end-to-end project. We will see that. Okay, so let's start with it. First I'll tell you like how to create this one. So in sign in, if I click this one, so this is coming. If I click this, so it should be coming, right, like this. And if I want to click it here, this sign up should come. Like how to create this sign in and sign up form fully end to end, right? So we will see that. Okay, so for that, first we have a need for new folder. Let's write it practice React. I'm writing this name. Okay, and drop it here. Yes, I trust the author. Close it. Okay, so this is the thing. Here I'm opening the terminal and pasting the command npm create wheat at latest and enter. It's asking for the project name, so I'm giving the, by default it is wheat project. I'm pressing enter. Go below for React, JavaScript, no, yes, and it's creating the dependencies for us. It will take some time, depends on the internet speed. So yes, we'll click it here, and yes, this is the wheat project. Like by default it's coming like this. So we will check it, all the things are there. Yes, see, all the files are there. Node modules, public, src, and src, it's a folder. These all three are folder: node modules, public, src, right? And this is git ignore file, and all these are like files which is created by this wheat. Okay, so src is the main file where we are going to work and where we are going to create our project. So here first, here is the app.jsx file. So first we will remove everything here, and we take React functional component, right? So this is the thing. Okay, and from here as well we will cut everything, and this is the main.js file, jsx file. It's a root file where our app component exists. So this is the main entry point, right? So here we'll take a new file. We'll give the name, let's say signin dot jsx. Okay, here we'll write rfce. It's a shortcut form of React function export component. Okay, command save, and here I mount the component. So what is the component name? The component name is signin. So it will recommend see, it's automatically imported up on the top. We can write it like this, but I'm not writing it like this. I'm writing it like this, right? So it should be mount. we can check it on our project. See, Signin is coming. Okay, so inside Signin we will start our project. First we have need for Tailwind, so like first we will install it. Okay, so in the browser we will search Tailwind installation C, this one, and coming to this link, installing Tailwind CSS with Beat. Okay, so here this is the doc for Tailwind CSS. Okay, so you can install from here, install Tailwind CSS by writing npm install Tailwind CSS at Tailwind CSS / Beat. So copy this and come here, paste it. It will install all the packages related to Tailwind CSS. Okay, see, it's done. And in our package.json file it should be there. It's not yet there because we have not write it here in beatconfig.js. This is the file when we install the Tailwind dependency. Okay, so it's create this file first. So here we will come here back and we copy this line, import Tailwind CSS, and on the top in beatconfig file we'll paste this, and we'll also copy this, and inside plugin we'll paste this. Right, it makes sense. Yes, next import Tailwind CSS, add import to your CSS file that import the Tailwind CSS. So copy this, and where is our CSS file? Here, app.css. We'll cut everything from here and we'll paste that line. Right, we'll save it. In app.jsx file we'll import it /app.css. We'll check it's working or not by running the project npm run dev. Yeah, we are not in the current directory. So what is our current directory? cd vtep. Now it must work fine. Run dev. See, it's running now. We'll cross this. This is our current file. So inside Signin we'll try to write one HTML tag and write it hi. See, it's coming. Okay, now we'll start working for the form. So we'll create one parent div. This is our parent div, and I'm giving the class name. First I'll give flex. First I'll give min height, should be screen, right, and bg color I'll give blue. It's blue, no? See, and flex justify center, and we'll give item center. See, this blue color is coming. I'll give little, it's 400, that must be fine. Yeah, like this color is looking good. Now we'll take one more div and we'll give class name. We'll give the width first, which is 300 pixels. It's not showing. We'll give the border. Also we'll give the height. Let's say 300 pixel. See, more height will give, let's say 400. Yeah, now it's fine. We'll give the background color BG white. Yeah, okay. And we'll give rounded. SM. See, it's coming like this. Now I think it's perfect. Okay, now we need two buttons first, so we'll take two buttons inside this. So we'll create one more div as well. Inside it I'm writing button. I'm taking two buttons, okay, and in first I'm writing sign in, and in second I'm writing sign up. See, it's coming like this. I'll give the class first flex. I'll give px something like 3. And for py, px and py is padding from x-axis and padding from y-axis, right? So I'll give it 6. Yeah, now it's making sense. We'll give the border for both, so it should be, look how it's looking. Yeah, it's coming like this. I'm giving the padding. Px, let's say 3, and py, let's say 2. Alright, yeah, and same for this one as well. Copy this, paste it. Yes, now it's fine. Also I'll give the gap in both the buttons, so I'm giving 3. See, now it's fine. It should be more little. So yes, now it's looking perfect. also will give rounded SM and same for this rounded SM. Okay, now what I want, whenever I click sign in, so sign in will come, means signing form will come, and whenever I click sign up things will come. Okay, so how do I achieve this? I can achieve this by changing the states. Yes, by changing the states. So how I change the states? So for changing the state, we have a need for useState. Okay, so in useState we have one variable like is login I'm taking, and I'm writing set is login. Okay, I'll tell you what I'm doing. Okay, so it's automatically come here, like React automatically imported, so I'm giving it true, right? So what it does, it means is login is like a variable, so it store the initial state like which is true, and set is login is a function which helps to change the is login variable. Okay, so how we can do this? Okay, so for this we have a need. I'll remove it first, and I'm taking backticks here and curly braces and dollar. Okay, and if is login is true, then what I need is I want this. No, I don't want this. I want if is login is true, BG color should be blue. Let's say we take 600. Okay, else nothing, right? So we have an error. So the error is like from this backticks we are getting, we need this backticks inside. Yes, now it's working fine. And yes, its login is true, then BG blue, and else nothing, and border around it, yes, it's correct. It should be work fine now. See, okay. Same here, I'll copy this and we'll paste it here. But here, if not login, this should come. If is login, this should come. Yes, so what I want is whenever I click here, it should coming here, like this background color, it should be coming here, and whenever I click sign in, it should come here. Okay, so how I achieve this functionality? To achieving this functionality, we have a need of on click event, right? So it's taking callback, and whenever I click on this sign in button, so it should write set login. Set is login should be true. Okay, and same for this. Sorry, on click sorry, set login false, right? So now it's working properly. See, whenever I'm clicking sign in, so it is true, so it's coming background here. Whenever I'm clicking here, it's coming false. Okay, so we've achieved this functionality. Now what I want, whenever is login is true, I want whenever login is true, so login should become, okay, like login should be written, else nothing, right? See, whenever I'm clicking sign in, login is coming. Okay, and same functionality I want for sign up. Whenever is not login, sign up should come. Okay, else nothing. See, it's working proper. Now what I want sign in form to input box, so I'm getting like this. I'll write it sign in and take input box. I need for two input box. One is for email, so I'll give the placeholder which is email, and the second is for password. Yes, it's coming like this. Need to take it in a div. Command X, Command V. I want in a stack order. See, it's coming like this. I'll give class as well. I'll give px3, py2, and save for this one. px3 and py2, right? Also I'll take border so I can see the things properly. Border, see, it's coming like this. I'll give some width also. I'll give it let's say 200 pixel. Hope so it is fine. Little more. And same for this width. 300 pixels. Yeah, it's coming like this. Also I'll give some padding, or let's say margin from top. I want margin from top is 4 and margin from left same. Yes, and need some gap. I'll take it 4. Yes, now it's fine. And I'll give class name to this as well. I think we have a need to take it in a div, like parent div. So I'll take it in a parent div. Okay. Also I give this also like a margin from left 3. Should be work fine. Also we'll give text to Excel. It's coming like this. So here we can write any name, any password. Okay. Here we'll change the type, which is password. So it should come like this in a dot format, right? Now I want this forgot password in anchor tag, which is a link. So href I'm not giving here exact link, so I'm giving by default is hash, and it should be forgot password. Right. We'll give the class name, so text should be in right side, so I think we need to give this okay, this is the thing. I'll give flex call as well, so it should come like this, right? Also I'll give margin from top, let's say 3. See, okay, now I want one button which is sign in button. Sign in button, and I'll give the CSS service class border, come on save. Okay, I'll give the width 300 pixels. We'll give some padding. Page should be 4 or 3, py should be 2, let's say like this. Let's say 4. Okay, like it's general CSS, I'm not focusing on the CSS part. So the main motive is to give the theory for this. Okay, sign in and sign up logic, so how it works. Okay, now I want this not a member sign up. Okay, whenever I click here, so it is coming like this. So CSS we will later do that part, like the main motive is create this. So I'll give p tag not member and one anchor tag as well. So inside it sign up should come. Okay, now so what I want, whenever I click on this sign up should come. See, this form should open. So how should I do this? Same thing like we did for this button, no? Login, sorry, this button, same thing it is. So I'll write on click for this one as well. So whenever I click, set is login should be false. See, it will target that only. It's not targeting. Okay, we have not given hash. See, right, we'll give the CSS also for this one. So how do I do this? Give the class name and we'll give text should be center, right? We'll give margin from top. We can do this by own as well. Let's say 4. Okay. This sign up as well, we have a need for that. Margin from top, it's 4 I'm giving, so there must be some gap here. So yes, that's fine. Now this functionality is working properly. We can do for sign up as well, like if I write it here, I'm not creating this again, I can write it here as well by writing this fragments. So I'm copy this div and pasting here, right? Inside it I need these two things. No need for password, so I'm removing the password. No, I think there is a need. Sorry, there is a need for password. Email, password. And yes, there is button also we've required. Copy this and paste it. Instead of sign in, need for sign up. See where the sign up is coming. It's coming from here, so remove it. No need for this, right? See, we can add CSS by our own because the video is too long. So I hope you know the CSS, like this is basic CSS. Padding and margin is required only, so you can do that. I hope you can do that. If you have any doubt, you can comment below. Okay, I'll read that doubt you have, and I'll correct that, and we'll make the new video for that. Okay, so yes, till then, bye bye, take care.